It is 6:50 and you're watching Daybreak. Focus on self-care. That's what the upcoming Wellness of Women Expo hopes participants start to do. Here to tell us more is Miriam Foster from the Family Resource Center. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here. We've touched on this a little bit. We haven't talked about it a lot. We've talked about it a little bit. It's the Wellness of Women Expo, and it's and it's all part of International Women's Day.
Yes.
Why did you think it was important to do this?
Well, first of all, the international theme this year is Inspire Change. And I think something that I've been noticing along the way in all the parenting classes that we do and, you know, just our work with the community is that a lot of times women give and give and give, but rarely do they take for themselves. And they see that as something selfish. And so one of the changes that we wanted to inspire is the idea that taking care of yourself is actually not selfish, but rather something very important, and that will then allow you to take better care of your family.
And one of the things it said is that not taking looking after yourself is a form of self-abuse.
Yes, yes. Because if you don't put yourself as priority, then you're saying that you're not worthy of any sort of attention. And so by going and going and going past the point of exhaustion, and a lot of times as women will say, oh, you know, I barely slept last night, I was up with my child all night, and the other one will say, oh yeah, I barely slept, my son was sick last night. And it's like this constant sort of showing off like how little we sleep or how much we can stretch our day. And I think it's important that we show, especially our daughters, we change that language for them, and that we show them that they value, and even when they grow up, they're still going to value enough to put themselves on that priority list.
It's interesting when we say show our daughters, because I was talking with a friend over the weekend about, you know, you don't want to get into that that idea that you should have your boys be less responsible in the home than the girls, and when you have one of each, and it's, you know, these are all things that I think about and worry about, and so how and modeling is so important, and how the parents respect each other and put each other first, right?
Definitely, yeah, it makes a big difference, and that's why that was the focus of. So in the past, for the last 15 years, we've had a sort of ceremony for International Women's Day, but lately we've been reinventing our public awareness campaigns and wanting them to be much more hands-on and interactive. So we're super excited about this first time International Women's Day not that we're not excited that it's not a ceremony, but rather it's going to be very hands-on, lots of classes, seminar. We encourage everyone to come, you know, dressed very comfy so that you can do a yoga class and an art therapy, then do a little bit of meditation, then have a healthy lunch. So it'll be fun, and it's free.
So this is don't bring the kids.
You can.
Oh, you can bring the kids.
Yeah, you can bring the kids, especially your daughters. You know, it is targeted to women and girls, but we're not going to be turning away men and boys. You know, they need to take care of themselves too. But there's going to be so much stuff being offered. I mean, we have mobile fitness, we have a meditation room, body talk, self-defense from Purple Dragon, Bliss Yoga. Beyond Basics, we'll be doing facials, flow therapy. They're going to be showing you this exercise with this ball that you use on your foot that helps with your back and open up your digestion system and everything. Ritz is going to be there with their tennis classes. There's going to be cyberbullying sessions for, anti-bullying sessions for girls. Department of Sports will be doing lots of activities for girls, basketball, just very fun, interactive stuff. So we're very excited.
Now this is all happening on the 8th of March.
The 8th of March, yes, International Women's Day. And we're super thankful for Camana Bay because they're sponsoring the event. And so they've allowed us full use of the Arc, which is usually the place where they do the expos and everything. And then we'll also have access to the tennis courts and the basketball courts. So lots of space.
Great that they have all of those facilities there. And thank you to DART for helping make that happen. In terms of what you hope the younger girls get out of it, what are your hopes there? Well,
we hope that they get exposed to lots of different things that are available in the community, and also get a chance to interact with their moms. You know, it'd be nice if it was, you know, mother-daughter came and took part in this day, and then that they paused for themselves, you know, and that we start to look at how we change the way girls view mothers or girls view women, and see themselves as priority, and that in taking care of yourself, you're better equipped to take care of others as well. So I think it'll be a positive experience for them, and that they'll take away a sense of fulfillment, and I think a sense of pride, because I'm really proud of all the different organizations that have stepped up to be a part of this event. And for such a small community, there is so much out there for us.
There is, yeah.
And I think a lot of times we think, oh man, I want to try that out, or I want to do this, but you never get a chance to. And so this will be one place where you'll be able to do Pilates and tennis and yoga and, you know, a dance class and, you know, self-defense. So much stuff for you to do that maybe you've never had a chance to try out, and it'll be all in one place, so it'll be really fun.
All right, well, I'm going. I'm
Awesome,
sold.
yeah.
I'm sold. To get more information, people can email Family Resource Center at gov.ky.
Yeah,
so it's FRC, right?
Yeah.
Or call 949-0006.
And definitely like our Facebook page, because you'll be kept up to date with all the different classes being offered, so you can pick and choose your schedule for the day.
All right, great. Miriam, thanks so much for joining us this morning.